Welcome to my channel. Green divided by white rapids. The shivering soul reaching shock of the water. The beverage of the animals. Drowning not in water but in a sense of belonging. The water's writing engraves the rocks like the graphite from my pencil engraves his paper. It says, meditate to throw away your anger. Middle school students from Missoula, Montana, pen these words after drawing inspiration from some of the area's storied, free-flowing rivers. Since time immemorial, nature has been the inspiration for art, literature, film, and other creative outlets. Cave paintings and petroglyphs depicting animals and land-human relationships were created by indigenous peoples and remain cherished cultural sites today. In the early 1800s, Hudson River School landscape painters painted forests, mountains, and wild rivers along with cultivated landscapes like farms. Henry David Thoreau and Ralph Waldo Emerson, among many others, were renowned for nature writing in general, and American nature poetry in particular. Montana's rivers served as the backdrop for Norman Maclean's 1976 novella, A River Runs Through It, and the subsequent film starring Brad Pitt that brought fly fishing to the masses. Winds, bear, fish, and other wildlife caught with chainsaws remain a popular form of sculpture today in Montana.